Good evening, friends. And this is R. Divakar from Pratisha Engineering College, final year mechanical student. So, my webinar on the topic of Tesla auto, autopilot mode using artificial intelligence. Before going into the topic, first we should know a simple terms, a basic terms to understand this topic. First term is artificial intelligence. So, it's nothing but we are going to stimulate the human intelligence in the machine using some program to take decision as a human. Example, so we are going to a market and we want to select a good tomato. So we know a good tomato will be like it should be in spherical and its surface should be smooth. It should not get damaged. So as a human, we know from the experience we have learned. So we are going to program to a machine. So surface of a tomato going to be like this, then only it will be a good tomato. So machine will use the sensors and transducers to select the good tomato. This is the artificial intelligence. Next one is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI, that means artificial intelligence. It allows the machine to take learn from the data which have been collected in the past. We have collected some data from the past. So using that, the machine going to take it's going to learn its whatever the function it's going to do using some computer algorithmic programs. This is called machine learning. Example, so we are going to measure an CO2 emission means, so we will collect an CO2 emission of a car which contain four cylinders and fuel specific consumptions. We will have 10 cars of fuel specific consumption and CO2 emission and how much cylinder it has. So we will give an input of 11th car. We don't know the CO2 emission of the 11th car. We only give input as number of cylinders and the specific fuel consumption. It will give us how much that CO2 emission will be. This is machine learning. It will learn from the collected data which are given already. Next is what is autopilot mode. It's autopilot mode is nothing but that machine going to assist us during our driving. This is autopilot mode. When we put this autopilot mode behind the wheels of automobiles, it will reshape our lives, our cities, and our societies. Okay, what is an Tesla approach? The topic is an Tesla autopilot mode. So they have achieved this autopilot mode by using 8 surrounded cameras. They will have 2 cameras on the front side, rear side 2, and both the sides each they will have 2 cameras, and they will have 12 ultrasonic sensors to detect the objects, or it may be cars, whatever soft and hard objects. And they will have an additional radar to drive in the heavy rains and heavy fog times, which sensor may fail. Next one, so Tesla has achieved a good precision by using these sensors and radars, and Tesla is slowly implementing the fully automated features in the car. It takes some years to implement fully automated, but now they are the Tesla cars are partially automated, and they have achieved 100 miles on autopilot mode. Until now, they have achieved 100 miles on autopilot mode. A Tesla car can run 100 miles in autopilot mode. So next important topic is the important advantage of this autopilot mode using artificial intelligence is exponential learning. Exponential learning is nothing but it's an high mind, nothing but that car. If a Tesla is manufactured 10 car, the car they are connected. These 10 car are connected to each other. I will give an example, then only you can easily understand what this means exponential learning. In a human driving world, if a particular person is avoided an accident, means that person will know next time if the same accident, chance of accident will come, means he know how to avoid this accident. Like that, that person will know. That person can teach to minimum to maximum to 10 persons. More than that, he can't teach. But in driving in an automobile world, if one car learned how to avoid a particular accident, they are connected to each other. If they produce million cars also, in a second, these million cars will learn how to avoid the same accident. This is the biggest advantage of this autopilot mode using artificial intelligence. This exponential learning is only because they avoid the chance of accidents from the experience it had. This is the one of the main advantage. And next one is what are the features of this autopilot mode cars. So first one is self parking. They will park themselves. We don't want to park. And lane handling, adaptive cruise control, and self driving, accelerating and braking. I will explain each these terms in further slides. In working, I will explain. So now we have reached working. First thing is working. There are as I said, there are 8 cameras, 2 in front, 2 in rear, and both the side it will have two. So totally 8 cameras it will have. So it will give us 360 visibility, and the range of camera is 250 meters of range. And what is the work of this camera? Why we need work of this camera means the main function of the cameras to handle the lane control. They're going to monitor the lanes in the road. The main function is they're going to monitor the lanes. If a lane get a bend means in a turn, so the car will know, oh, it's going to be a bend, it's going to be a turn because the lanes are get a curve shape, so they are bending, so we want to take an turn. So like that it going to monitor the lens. This is the main advantage, main function of these cameras. Next one is the 12 updated ultrasonic sensors. It's to detect both the hard and soft object at the nearly twice the distance of a peer system. Nothing but they're going to detect us how many cars are surrounded by an Tesla car. In front how much cars are there, in back how much cars are coming, and both sides how much cars are there. So main function of this ultrasonic sensor is to detect the cars surrounded by these Tesla cars. Then only it can move without any accident. So it the work to detect the vehicles around the car for lane changing, accelerating and braking. The car want to accelerate or brake, it should know how much cars are there in the front, how much cars are there in the rear. So then only it can accelerate or change the lanes or put and brake when the car before this Tesla car reduce the speed. So next one is a forwarded facing radar provide additional data about the world and wavelength that able to see through the heavy rain, fog, dust, even the car ahead. So during the heavy rain or fog or dust time, the sensors may fail. It will maybe a disadvantage with this Tesla car. So they have introduced radars which will easily help the car to move during the heavy rains also. Heavy rains, the cameras may get hide. The cameras may not get a clear view. That time, these radars will come into action and they will help in moving the car without any accident. So what are the functions that the autopilot will do means steering, accelerating, brake automatically within its lane. So within its lane. I said no, the main function of the cameras to monitor the lane. If a road which does not contain lane means the autopilot mode may be failed. The autopilot mode will not work where the road don't contain lanes. So it's very important for an autopilot car to move in a road means it required lanes to move without any accident. And next one is, so current autopilot features required an active driving supervision. I said starting itself, it's an partially autopilot. They are not introduced fully autopilot mode. It take time to bring an fully autonomous vehicle, but now it's a partially. So I said I will explain what are the features of the cars. First I say self parking, lane handling, and adaptive cruising. Now we will see one by one. I said adaptive cruising control. So what does means adaptive cruise control means if you on an autopilot mode, you have set it 70 kilometer per hour. Okay, the car should move in 70 kilometer per hour. The car will move from 0 to 70 kilometer per hour. They will not exceed that limit we have set it. They will move in between 0 to 70 kilometer. Okay, if a Tesla car is moving, before a Tesla car there is a manual controlling car. They are moving at 70 kilometer per hour. The Tesla car operator has set the speed limit as 70 kilometer per hour means. So Tesla car automatically reduce the speed to 60 because the car before is going at 70 kilometer hour. This Tesla also can't go at 70 kilometer, so it should reduce the speed. Then only it can prevent from accidents. So it will reduce the car to 60 kilometer per hour until the car exit the road or change the lane. This is adaptive cruise control of this Tesla car. Next one is lane change. So if there is a truck before a Tesla car, we can't go beyond that the truck itself. The truck will go at 30 kilometer per hour means the Tesla will reduce its speed to 20. We can't go beyond the car or truck at a slow speed. So there is a need of lane change from one lane to another lane. So using that sensors, they will sense there is any car coming in adjacent lane. If there is no car, Tesla automatically changes the lane from one lane to another lane, and then it's go on the speed limit which we are which we have given. So navigate on autopilot suggest lane change to optimize your route and make adjustments so you don't get stuck behind a slow cars or truck. So this navigate system will using the ultrasonic sensor, they will sense around the car. So if next lane adjacent to this Tesla car is free, there is no car, they will change the lane automatically. This is lane changing. We have seen adaptive cruise control lane change. Next one, uh, next one is the same navigated system to change lane. So, okay, I'm going to go somewhere I'm going. So now I want to go to last lane, then only I can exit the road means automatically these Tesla cars will uh, change its lane when the point you want to end is near, it will change in the lane. Or if somewhere I want to exit the road means the autopilot mode automatically change its lane and come to the last lane of the road, and and they will exit to the point where we want to go. This is one of the features. And what is the effect of this automation in car? What are the advantages or effects of this automation car? Are as the people spend less time in driving, they can use the time for entertainment or protecting during this driving. So we don't want to drive. The car itself going to drive. If it's an 1 hour journey means we can use this 1 hour for entertainment purpose, or you can use for something to read or code or design something. We can do our office work during this 1 hour. So this is a main advantage of this automation car. We can use the time for our purpose. And future area of automation. So future artificial intelligence is going to be a future. And now they have introduced in Tesla cars this automation. Future it may be an commercial aircraft, farming equipment, construction vehicle, semi trucks. They can also introduce this artificial intelligence. Next is future features. What are the future features we are going to introduce in autonomous vehicles? Current autopilot mode required an active driver supervision. It do not make the vehicle fully automation, so it's need an driver supervision. They will they will accelerate or brake without a need of driver, but there is a need because it's a partially automated vehicle, so there is a need of supervision here. So in future, we may be achieve a fully automated where we want to do only set the place where you want to go, or automatically the car will take the calendar. If we example, if I'm going office from Monday to Friday, means it automatically, if you don't want, if you don't select where you want to go, it automatically take a calendar. So today is Wednesday, so he will go to office, so it automatically take to you the office. If you want to if you select some place, it will take to the some place, and when the place is reached, they will automatically park to somewhere where the space is required, or where they that uh, where they officially announced in parking place, means the car will automatically change the place and they will get parked at the place. So this autonomous vehicle is going to be in future, and more customers, Tesla has more customers because of this autopilot mode. It has it has attracted more customers because of this one of the feature. And thank you, friends, thank you for the opportunity.